pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money, wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The owl looked up to the stars above and sang to a small guitar. Oh, lovely pussy, oh, pussy, my love, what a beautiful pussy you are. What a beautiful pussy you are. She said to the owl, "You ancient fowl, how charming it is to see. So let us be married, too long we have tarried, but what shall we do for a ring?" What shall we do? 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 What shall we do for a ring? They sailed away for a year and a day to the land where the bones grow. Bong, 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 bong. And there in a wood a peewit stood with a ring at the end of his nose. His nose. His nose. With a ring at the end of his nose. Pig, are you willing to sell for 1 shilling your ring? Said the piggy, I will. So they took it away and were married next day by the turkey who lives on the hill. They dined on slices of fish which they ate with a runcible spoon. And hand in hand on the edge of the sand, they danced by the light of the moon. They danced by the light of the moon.